I did a 2-hour power yoga class this morning at Shiva. Shiva does not have mats of their own, and the studios that don't have mats of their own end up seeing this mat here, which is my Gayam mat, and my Gayam mat is so weathered from my feet and my hands. And I personally prefer not to bicycle around with a yoga mat, but when I have to, I will. So I was thinking about memory, and I have another story that I thought would be perfect to bring up to a group that I am leading for Tantra, and that is this event called High Vibe. High Vibe had a group, and the group was the Super Hug Club, and I came late to this group. These 20 people already have familiarized with themselves with each other. You know, this was like a 2-3 hour-ish event, doing a static dance, doing yoga together, and here I am. I came 2 hours late. Nobody knew who I was, and I was in this Super Hug Club kind of group, and everyone was tense around me, and I was thinking, my God, these people are jerks. And I felt very tense also. And then I realized this a long time later, it was because they had no idea who I was. It wasn't because they were jerks. It was because they felt uncomfortable with me entering this container as this person who was somewhere else. So that is another example of memory and the importance of shared memory in relationship to intimacy.